Welcome back to Guga Food, guys. Today, churrasco, and it's good. It's real good. For today's cook, I'm going to be using these beautiful skirt steaks. They have incredible marbling. Now these steaks are extremely flavorful if done correctly, and the first thing I like to do is score the fat a little so that my marinade would penetrate real good. Check it out. Then I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now they are ready for the marinade. Remember, exact amount in the description down below. We start off with an orange, lime juice, and onions. Now let it marinate for at least 2 hours, but if you can, overnight will have much better result. I've also decided to do a green sauce or salsa verde, whatever you want to call it. I just call it salsita. Remember, exact amount in the description down below. We start off with parsley, salt, red wine vinegar, red chili flakes, black pepper, olive oil. Mix it well. Throw in some lime juice and your sauce is done. I also like to make a basting sauce when I'm searing the skirt steak. And here it is. It's very simple. Soy sauce and lime juice. Now we're ready for the grill. Let's go ahead and cook them up. Let's do it. Angel, what do you think?
My God, it looks amazing.
It looks fantastic. This is the most recognized steak in Miami. We call it churrasco here in Miami. Well, actually, churrasco in all the Miami restaurants. It is the most popular steak by far. Agree?
Pretty much, yeah.
Every restaurant here in Miami, you'll find it. But, you know, in the United States, we call it skirt steak and so forth. Enough talking. Let's just dig in, huh, Angel?
Please.
Let's go. Go for it.
I'm going.
Woo! Let's see. Oh, it's super juicy, boy.
Oh.
Oh.
Hold on. There's a little tang, a little spiciness.
You feel it?
Like a small spiciness, but yeah, it was there. What is this?
Yes, marination.
All right, boy. You know what? I'm gonna try it with the green stuff, bro.
You're gonna try with the green stuff.
I'm gonna try it with the green.
You got the
stuff.
last one that didn't have a little bit of the green, but you're gonna go for the green?
Look. I'm spreading the green stuff.
Oh,
bro.
look at that. Normally, he doesn't eat it with the green. He takes all his vegetables out, but today he's gonna go with the green.
You see it, right?
Hold on. Should I put more?
Nah, it's good. It's good. It's good. I think we're good.
Go for it, Angel. Let's see.
Oh. Okay, it's not bad. But in this case, I prefer without the green stuff.
He prefers without the green stuff. We call it salsita. The little salsita, I put it on the top, everybody. It's nice, spicy, has a little ting to it because of the vinegar. I suggest you give it a try. He don't eat no vegetables, so that's what it is. How do you like the steak? They want to know about the steak.
The steak is amazing. The steak, tender, juicy.
Very juicy.
It's everything you look for in a steak. It's tender, it's juicy, it's beefy, it's beautiful.
It's extremely soft, and the flavor of it, it's nothing like a ribeye or a New York strip or a T-bone steak or a porterhouse steak. It is very flavorful and very fatty. That's why I like to cook a little bit in higher temperature. To cook this steak, it's good, huh? To cook this steak, I cooked at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, indirect heat, 3 minutes in each side in indirect heat. Take it out, baste it with the sauce, put it back for a nice fast sear. Sears in 30 seconds because all that soy sauce sears really quickly. And that is all you gotta do, everybody. If you never had churrasco or skirt steak, whatever it is that they call this steak anywhere else in the world, it is fantastic. You gotta give it a try. Agree?
Yeah, and don't go to a restaurant, man. You don't have to go to a restaurant. Make it yourself, dude.
It's so
I've
easy.
never gone to a restaurant and had a better steak than when I come here.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is on the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. I like his goodbye. That's good. Oh, I'm going to keep eating, man. This is fantastic. Ooh, so juicy, flavorful. The flavor, perfectly medium rare in the middle. By the way, everybody, if you ever want to cook a steak well done, this is the steak to cook well done for your wife or your girlfriend, anybody that likes well done steak. This is the one because it can take that high temperature. It's too much marbling in the middle and fat and connective tissue, but it's very tender. Agree, Angel?
Super tender.
Make sure when you're slicing it, slice it against the grain to finish it off. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah, Andrew. We out.